Hey sweet friends, I've started a brand new channel, Let the Cake Talk Recipes and More. Click the link in the description and subscribe to join me there for more amazing and yummy creations. It is filled with the soft cake decorating and baking recipes.